In this video, we're going to discuss matrix operations. So we have the first matrix, matrix A, 0, 1, 2, 3, matrix B, 4, 5, 6, negative 7. And we need to add these two matrices given the following operations. We know that we can only add two matrices if they have the same order. And for matrix A, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Same is true with matrix B, a 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, we can add the two matrices. So number 1, we have A plus B. We just simply copy first the matrix 0, 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6, negative 7. Just get the sum of corresponding elements. We have 0 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, and 3 plus negative 7. So simplify. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus negative 7 is negative 4. So the sum is 4, 6, 8, negative 4. So we go to the next. So we have 2a plus 3b. So this involves scalar multiple. So for a, we have a scalar multiple of 2, and for b, we have a scalar multiple of b. First, we multiply 2 to matrix A. Then multiply 3 dun sa matrix B. So 4, 5, 6, negative 7. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. For the second matrix, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times negative 7, negative 21. Then, add the corresponding elements. 0 plus 12, 2 plus 15, 4 plus 18, then 6 plus negative 21. Then simplify. 0 plus 12 is 12, 2 plus 15, 17, 4 plus 18, that's 22, 6 plus negative 21, negative 15. So the resulting matrix is 12, 17, 22, negative 15. Okay, for the next one, we have A plus B transpose. So the exponent there means transpose. When we say we need to transpose a matrix, we just need to interchange the row element and the column elements. So it means that we have matrix A 0, 1, 2, 3 plus B transpose. If we have 4, 5, 6, negative 7 entry in matrix B, we have for the B transpose as 4, 6 in the first row and 5, negative 7 in the second row. We just interchange the row and the column elements. Okay, then combine. We have 0 plus 4, 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, and 3 plus negative 7. So we have 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 3 plus negative 7 is negative 4. So we check first. So 0 plus 4, 4, 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 5, 7, then 3 plus negative 7, negative 4. So that's how to add matrices. So we go now to multiplication of matrices. So note that we can only multiply two matrices if the number of column of the first matrix is equal to the number of row of the second matrix. So look at matrix A. we have 7, 8, 0, negative 9. And matrix B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5, 6. So check the order of matrix A. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. And for matrix B, this is a 2 by 3 matrix. So you see that the number of column in the first matrix is the same as the number of row of the second matrix. And this makes that the product of A and B is a 2 by 3 matrix. So let's solve. So that's simply 7, 8, 0, negative 9 times 1, 2, 3, so 4, negative 5, 6. So the process looks like this. So we have 7 and 8 will be multiplied in the first column of the second matrix, then take the sum. So we have 7 times 1 plus 8 times 4. Same is true with 0 and negative 9. So 0 times 1 plus negative 9 times 4. Then do the same with the second column, 2, negative 5 in the second matrix. So we have 7 times 2 plus 8 times negative 5. Then 0 times 2 plus negative 9 times negative 5. Then in the third column, so we have 7 times 3 plus 8 times 6. Then 0 times 3 plus negative 9 times 6. So you see that what we multiply in the first row element is the same with the second row element. Same is true with this and in this. Then we need to simplify. So 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 4 is 32. 0 times 1 is 0. Negative 9 times 4 is negative 36. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 5 is 40. Then 0 times 2 is 0. Negative 9 times negative 5 is 45. 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 6 is 48. 0 times 3 is 0. Then negative 9 times 6 is negative 54. Then just combine. So we have 7 plus 32, that's 39. 14 minus 40, that's negative 26. 21 plus 48, that is 69. Then 0 minus 36 is negative 36. 0 plus 45 is 45. Then 0 minus 45. Then 0 minus 54 is negative 54. So the result is 39, negative 26, 69, negative 36, 45, and negative 54. See that this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Last example, we have both 3 by 3 matrix, so we can multiply them, and the result is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So we copy first, we have 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, negative 2, negative 1, 1, times 2, 3, 1, 2, negative 2, negative 2, then negative 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's check first. Okay, then we follow the same procedure. So therefore, it is equal to first row to the first row of the first matrix to the first column of the second matrix. So we have 4 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 0 times negative 1. Do the same with 2, 1, 0. So we have 2 times 2, 1 times 2, plus 0 times negative 1. Then we have negative 2 times 2, negative 1 times 2, then 1 times negative 1. Then we have 4, 3, negative 2, 2 columns. So we have 4 times 3 plus 2 times negative 2 plus negative 1 plus 0 times 2. So this one. Okay. Then we have 2 times 3, 1 times negative 2, then 0 times positive 2. Then we have negative 2 times 3 plus negative 1 times negative 2 plus 1 times 2. Then the last one, negative 2, 1. So this one. Okay, so we have 4 times 1, 2 times negative 2, then 0 times 1. Then we have 2 times 1 plus 1 times negative 2, then 0 times 0 times 1. Then we have negative 2 times 1, negative 1 times negative 2, then 1 times 1. Then simplify. 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 0 times negative 1 is 0. We complete first the first column. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 0 times negative 1 is 0. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, then 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Second column, 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, 0 times 2, 0. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times negative 2, negative 2, 0 times 2 is 0. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6, negative 1 times negative 2, positive 2, then 1 times 2, 2. Then third column, 4 times 1 is 4, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, 0 times 1 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, then 0 times 1 is 0. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, 1 times negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2, then 1 times 1 is 1. So just simplify. 8 plus 4, 12. 4 plus 2, 6. Negative 4 minus 2 minus 1 is negative 7. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Then 4 minus 4, 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 plus 0 is also 0. Then negative 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 1. So the product is 12, 8, 0, 6, 4, 0, negative 7, negative 2, positive 1. So that's how to perform operations involving matrices.